ki khubor ka Batisi TV lawan rashapi da ka Orange Nissan Loom so pho near Fire Brigade Shillong
Ka Sorkar Jylla kala manjur ban Shuti Leit Ïing ya Director General of Police ka Jylla UR Chandra Nathan wad hapadeng ka jing persya jong kibabon balang kibabo jingkli ya ka Sorkar Jylla bakumno ka Sorkar kan pediang ya kani ka jingpan Shuti haba ka jingto kit judicial inquiry kadang ya syakmat hadin ka jingyap jong uba cherry star field thank you ha ka jinglek khanra jong ki pulit ya ka yeng sa jong u ha ka khat lai tarik ubnai nailar hajar puwei ha ka jingya kren mat kilat pathai khubor u menteri rangba ka Jylla u Konrad kongkal sangma ulaong ba ka Sorkar kan amla asatya ban khang ya ka jingpan Shuti jong u DGP namar bo udan hok ban shim Shuti kum u Shakri Sorkar.
I think there is no confusion in this. The DGP has applied for leave. He had met me and he specifically told me there's applied for leave. The entire application and the process, it takes, a system is followed in order to process it. So that process is going on. And as soon as the process is over, his leave, as per his desire, will be given to him. So as that happens, he'll be going. But we obviously had session also in between. So obviously those things also are there. But it is being processed and he will be granted his leave. You can question in many ways, so I have nothing to say about the questioning. If an individual desires to go for a leave, it could be for health grounds, it could be for personal grounds, then as a government employee he is entitled to it. And as a government, it's our job to give it to him if he is entitled to it. And that's the way we are seeing it. So therefore, he applied for the leave, the processing is going on, and as soon as the process is done, he will be granted the leave. Nothing to do with the current situation. As I said, it is a process that is going on, and he has applied for the leave at a personal level. And as I said, we have agreed. I have agreed to it, and the process of granting that is on.